Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to check your level overview on Fiverr. So let's assume we're on the Fiverr page, and no, let's assume we're already on the Fiverr page. So all you have to do is to click on my business. So from my business you can actually check your overview here. Now in this level, yeah, you can also check from here um growth and marketing, but let's just click on it and then we'll see the actual level we are on. So this is a new account, relatively new. I've not had time to actually prime it. So I've not made up to $400. Once I have made up to $400, I can move to the next one. This place is you can impute an intro video, include your portfolio and milestone. You can also add 4 active gigs, and then if you want you can set up a team account. And if you want to a very quick business growth, you can go to the seller plus. And so these are all of the things you can check on the seller, on the level overview. And then it will give you a score here, a success score, and your rating here. So you should aim for the highest possible. That's 5 on both sides here. So that's just it, guys. So this is how to check for your level overview. You can see I'm still in the new section here. I've not had any gig. So once you go to the level 1, and these are the requirements, you should have a success score of 5, a rating of at least 4.4, response rate of at least 80%. Others must be 5 minimum. And these are all the minimum benefits. So minimum requirements for the level 1, your earnings must be at least 400. And then for the level 2, you should have a success score of at least 7, rating should be at least 4.6, and your response rate should be 90%, and a minimum of 20 orders with unique clients of 10 and earnings of $2,000. Now for the level 3, this is level 2. This is like the expert. Yes, so this is minimum requirement of success score of 9, like this, and earnings of at least $10,000. So this is just it to check your level overview on Fiverr. So if you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and if you've, please subscribe, please.